How to enable data saving mode on Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable data saving mode on Google Meet to reduce data usage during video calls. It's ideal if you are on your mobile data or have limited connection. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Meet app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply tap on the option labeled as Calling. And now here, in this section, simply tap on In-Call Settings. And here, under the In-Call Settings section, you can see the option labeled as Data Saving Mode at the last. So simply enable that option by toggling it on. And that's it. That's how you can enable data saving mode on Google Meet to reduce data usage during video calls. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.